Hello friends, today I am making a video on 5 reasons to take admission into mechanical engineering. Many students get confused that which engineering branch is most suitable for taking admission. So in this video I will give you 5 reasons to choose mechanical engineering branch. Myself, Dr. Neeraj Kumar Mehta, I am associate professor and researcher at Mechanical Engineering Department in ITM SLS Baroda University, Vadodara, Gujarat. So let's begin with our video. So first reason I am giving maximum job opportunities. So if you compare mechanical engineering with other branches of engineering, then mechanical engineering gives maximum job opportunity. Like car manufacturers, mechanical engineering can get job in these all the industries like Tata Motors, Ashok Leyland, Mahindra and Mahindra, Maruti Suzuki India Limited. These are all reputed recruiters. Then they can also get job into bike manufacturers like Hero, Bajaj, TVS Group, Royal Enfield. So these all are recruiters and these are reputed job givers to mechanical engineers. So these, if you have craze about cars and bikes, so definitely you can choose the mechanical engineering. Then metal industries like Tata Steel. There are many metal industries starting from small scale industries to the big large scale industries. All are giving job to mechanical engineers. Oil and gas segment. This is a very fascinated segment like Reliance Industries is there, which is one of the biggest refinery in the world. Then Adani Group, Inox CBA. Then there are also some chemical companies like GSFC, Deepak Phenolics, then project industries which are executing large projects, and if you have that passion for the projects, you can get job into L&T, Thermax, Suzlon, GE, ABB, etc. Then there are also some pump manufacturers like Kirloskar, Crompton Greaves, which are also giving job opportunity. Then there are household item manufacturers like Hitachi, Whirlpool, Godrej. So these manufacturers manufacture different kind of household goods, but specifically I talk the refrigerators, air conditioning systems, and washing machines. These manufacturers specifically recruit mechanical engineers. So first reason I am giving that there are maximum number of job opportunities in the mechanical branch. You can get easily job in this branch. So this is the reason number 1, maximum job opportunities. Let us move to reason number 2. So reason number 2 is maximum scope of government jobs. Now if you think that after completion of mechanical engineering, you want to move to the government segment, you want to have a reputed government job. So what are the opportunities? Let us check. So first is the BHEL, that is the Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited. It is a very reputed organization. Then DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization. If you have passion for the defense research like manufacturing of tanks, guns, missiles, so you can get job in this particular segment. Then IOCL, Indian Oil Corporation Limited. Then NHPC, National Hydroelectric Power Corporation. If you have passion for power generation, you can get there. GAIL, Gas Authority of India Limited. BARC, Bhabha Atomic Research Center. You must have listened the name of BARC. They are doing research in the field of nuclear reactors, nuclear fusion, nuclear fission. If you have, you want to work for nuclear reactors, then you can go for BARC. ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. It is one of the most prestigious company by Indian government. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. You must have seen the movie Mission Mangal. So you know that how passionate are their mechanical engineers working in the ISRO for doing space research. So yes, if you have passion for space research, you can go there. Then SCI, Shipping Corporation of India. They are manufacturing ships to generate for Indian government, for Indian Navy. So these are the reputed government jobs available to mechanical engineers. So I am giving reason number 2, that is the maximum opportunity in the government segment. Now let us move to reason number 3. Reason number 3 is maximum salary growth by working in advanced research areas. So in many disciplines of engineering, initial salary may be high, but after experience, 5 years, 10 years span, you will not get a proper growth. So in the mechanical engineering, there are some advanced research areas. If you work in those areas, your salary growth will be excellent. So let us talk about those areas. One is the aerodynamics. If you work for aircraft manufacturing, helicopter manufacturing, your salary growth will be excellent. Then biomechanics. In biomechanics, you can work for medical equipments, medical devices, and advanced biomechanics, artificial intelligence. So your salary growth will be excellent. Then computational fluid dynamics. You can do the computational analysis of cars, bikes, aerospace parts. So that is the field computational fluid dynamics. Then robotics. Robotics is the one of the most advanced field currently, and most of the industries are nowadays started using robots for welding purpose, for material handling. So this, if you work in this segment, then also your salary will be exponential. Then renewable energy. You must be knowing that government is doing lot of investment in the field of solar energy, wind energy, and if you want to work in the solar energy segment, then definitely you can grow. Then 3D printing. 3D printing is the future of manufacturing. The entire manufacturing segment is driven towards 3D printing, and day by day applications are growing and increasing. Intelligent manufacturing. The manufacturing with the help of IoT, Internet of Things. The manufacturing with the help of big data. So if you are in this field, in the intelligent manufacturing, then definitely you can grow like a rocket. Then composite material. If you are in the field of developing some new material with the mixing some 2 or 3 materials, so these composite materials are having better strength compared to currently available materials. So definitely you can grow. Then Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0 is the fourth industrial revolution. So if you are involved in the fourth industrial revolution, then definitely you can grow. So this is the reason number 3, maximum salary growth. Now move to the reason number 4. Suppose you don't want to live in India after completion of your engineering. You want to move overseas. So what are the overseas opportunities for mechanical engineers? So let us see. You can do job in the NASA. NASA is one of the most passionate company, or it's an American government firm which is doing the space research. Then you can work for Google. Google is recruiting engineers for programming, also for the design. You must be knowing the Sundar Pichai, who is the CEO of Google. He is also basically a mechanical engineer. Intel is recruiting mechanical engineers for the design of the chips, design of the microcontrollers. Basically, they recruit mechanical engineers for heat transfer design, cooling control of the chips. Boeing and Airbus, these two are the main aircraft manufacturers in the world. So you can work for them. Lockheed Martin is also a big name in the space research and spacecraft manufacturing. Then you can work for Ford, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, General Motors, Tesla. So these all are reputed companies in the automobile field who are recruiting mechanical engineers overseas. Apple, Samsung, HP and Dell. So each and every mobile phone manufacturer as well as the laptop manufacturer are also recruiting mechanical engineers for the design, also for the manufacturing. So this is also there. Then SpaceX. SpaceX is a private organization who is doing space research. Then Nvidia. If you fond of games, if you like to play video games, you must have listened the name of Nvidia. So Nvidia also recruit mechanical engineers for the design of graphics card. So there are plenty of opportunities overseas. So this is the reason number 4, opportunities overseas. Now we move to the reason number 5. So reason number 5 is the maximum scope for entrepreneurship. Suppose you think that after engineering I don't want to do job. I want to start my own startup. I want to be an entrepreneur. So there are many ideas which are already successful in the field of mechanical engineering to convert you into a successful entrepreneur. So let us see those ideas. First is the spare part manufacturing. You can start your own business to manufacture spare part for an automobile. For example, you start manufacturing brake pad and you supply that brake pad to the Maruti Suzuki, Mahindra, etc. Then the product design. You can start a product design firm. You can design your own product and you can sell your design. Assembly services. You can import parts from different countries and you can assemble into a one place. Supply chain management. You can create a chain between different organizations. Consultancy firm. You can start your own consultancy firm and you can provide support to the industries in terms of design, also in terms of manufacturing. Waste recycling. You can start your own startup for plastic recycling, water recycling, or wastage heat recycling. So if you recycle these, then your industry can be a good startup. Automation. You must be knowing that most of the machines in India are manual. So if you provide them service to do automation, then that may be also a startup idea. Maintenance contract. Industry is running so many machines. You take a maintenance contract. I will maintain your machines. Machine distribution. You purchase some machines from Germany or from Australia and you distribute those machines in India to different organizations. So these are the successful ideas by which a mechanical engineer can be a successful entrepreneur. You can start your own business. So this is the reason number 5, maximum scope for entrepreneurship. So these are my 5 reasons to choose mechanical engineering branch for the admission purpose. If you have any other idea, any other reason, then comment below this video. Thank you all.